Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Windows is current and rebooted. Installers fail on pending updates. Once done, temporarily disable any antivirus and firewall that might intercept installation files. Next, download the latest Nvidia driver package and GeForce Experience from Nvidia. Then right-click and choose Run as Administrator so the installer has full system access. While this runs, make sure Windows Update isn't downloading drivers in the background. Simultaneous updates can cause the installer to stop mid-process. You now perform the deep cleanup because leftover drivers often break installers. Reboot into safe mode and run display driver uninstaller. To remove drivers, control panel entries and residual files. After this finishes, delete Nvidia folders in C, /program data and C, /program files if any remain and clear temporary files. Reboot back to normal Windows, then launch the Nvidia installer as admin, pick custom, and check clean install. This forces fresh components and avoids carrying over corrupted settings that previously stopped the installer. You finish by rebooting and confirming the GPU driver appears correctly in Device Manager. Install GeForce Experience only after drivers succeed. If installation still fails, inspect the Nvidia log files in C, /program data /Nvidia /log to pinpoint the fault. Make sure Windows Universal C Runtime and Visual C++ redistributables are present. One key troubleshooting tip. If the GUI installer repeatedly stops, run the once more, then install the full driver package offline, no internet, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.